blocked ears, and I'm just commencing with this there right ear, and as you can see, this is full of dead skin as opposed to earwax. So sometimes it's difficult to distinguish the difference between earwax and dead skin keratin. In part, that's due to the fact that the majority of earwax is actually made up of dead skin, around 60%, but I would say this plug is probably about 80 to 90% dead skin, so I would therefore classify it more as a keratin plug as opposed to an earwax plug. Due to the consistency of this keratin plug, it's very difficult to perform microsuction, so I just reverted to the new Rai-Ear, and I'm slowly but surely extracting this dead skin plug forwards and out of the ear. So the new Rai-Ear has several advantages in my opinion, compared to the previous Jobson horn that I used. The first advantage is that the end of the curette is a lot thinner. It's more tapered. It's got a tapered end, and that tapered end allows me to glide in between stubborn wax and dead skin that's compressed up against the canal wall. Secondly, again, the distal end, so the end of the curette, it's more angled inwards. So think about the geometry of a spade. It's got more of a narrowed tip. And once more, I feel that allows me to glide a lot better, as you can see here, in between the wax plug, keratin plug and the canal wall. And thirdly, the curette itself, and you'll hopefully see it again in a moment, it's got a curvature that mimics the curvature of the ear canal, and that just means that there's less friction and contact, or painful contact, should I say, against the canal wall. If you've got the geometry of the curette resembling the geometry of the ear canal, as you're gliding it, there's going to be less resistance and friction, so therefore more comfortable for the patient. So just removing this last piece of dead skin. It's just got trapped at the entrance. Now, once I remove this keratin plug, you'll see the patient's ear canal's got a nice complexion. It's nice and pink, and that's a lot different to their left side. So do stay tuned, because in their left side, and the left ear is the ear that the patient found extremely itchy. They were suffering from psoriasis, which is the medical term for itchiness. See, it's a nice complexion there, but the left side, you've got this thick adhesive layer of dead skin that I had to peel away. So if you enjoy your dead skin peels, do stay tuned. I'm just going to mop up now around the edges, some dead skin here, and a lot of this dead skin, it's on the boundary of what we call the osseo-cartilaginous junction. Now, you can think about your ear canal, or you can subdivide your ear canal in thirds. The outer third of the ear canal is made up of cartilage, and the inner 2/3 of the ear canal is made up of bone. And this skin that I'm removing is just at that osseo.